All you have to do is just trust them and ride with it, and you will get taken care of. Excellent. I'm very happy. Thanks. Hello, my name is Nathan Castillo. I'm from Dallas, Texas, USA. And this is actually the second time that I've been to Istanbul. And have trusted Dura Clinic for all my treatments. My agent Tasneem has been wonderful. Halima, the interpreter, has been there for me when I needed it. And their doctors are excellent, the facilities are excellent, and I've recommended Dura Clinic to even my best friends, and they have actually come and thanked me for telling them about Dura Clinic. They make it really, really easy, and everything they said that they were going to do, they follow through on. All you have to do is just trust them and ride with it, and you will get taken care of. Excellent. I'm very happy.